The history of herbs. Garlic. Garlic is a species of flowering plant in the genus Alumum. Its close relatives include the onion, shallot, leek, and chive. It's native to Central Asia and northeastern Iran and has long been used as a seasoning worldwide, with a history of several thousands of years of human consumption and use. Numerous cuneiform records show that garlic has been cultivated in Mesopotamia for at least 4,000 years, and the use of garlic in China and Egypt also dates back thousands of years. Well-preserved garlic was found in the tomb of Tutankhamun. It was consumed by ancient Greek and Roman soldiers, sailors, and rural classes. Garlic was placed by the ancient Greeks on piles of stones at crossroads as a supper for Hecate, the Greek goddess of magic. Garlic was rare in traditional English cuisine, though it is said to have been grown in England before 1548, but has been a common ingredient in the Mediterranean and Europe. Garlic has been used for traditional medicine in diverse cultures, such as Egypt, Japan, China, Rome, and Greece. In the book Natural History contains a list of conditions in which garlic was considered beneficial. Galen, writing in the 2nd century, stated garlic was the rustic theriact, or cure-all. Avicenna, in the Canon of Medicine in 1025 AD, recommended garlic for the treatment of arthritis, snake and insect bites, parasites, chronic cough, and as an antibiotic. Alexander Neckam, a writer of the 12th century, discussed it as a palliative for the heat of the sun in field labor. In the 17th century, Thomas Sidium valued garlic as an application in confluent smallpox, and William Cullen's Materia Messina in 1789 found some forms of edema was cured by garlic alone. Garlic is widely used around the world for its pungent flavor and as a seasoning or condiment. The garlic plant's bulb is the most commonly used part of the plant. Garlic cloves are used for consumption, raw or cooked, or for medicinal purposes. They have a characteristic pungent, spicy flavor that mellows and sweetens considerably with cooking. Garlic may be applied to different types of bread, usually in the medium of butter or oil, to create a variety of classic dishes, such as garlic bread, garlic toast, bruschetta, crostini, and canapé. The flavor varies in intensity and aroma with different cooking methods. It is often paired with onion, tomato, or ginger. Thank you for watching The History of Herbs, brought to you by Dherbs.com.